breakfast. I went a little crazy with the breakfast this morning. Took on my first pumpkin drink of autumn. I don't know if I like prep pumpkin drink. Good morning everyone, I hope we're all well. You're joining a very sleepy Flossie. It's very early in the morning actually. On a mission to fix my sleeping pattern, so I thought I'd treat myself to breakfast. I've got a savoury croissant. I don't think I've ever had a savoury croissant. Why have I never had a savoury one? This slap. Next up on the menu, a breakfast baguette. Anyways everyone, welcome to the start of a weekly vlog. I'm going to be taking you along on my week with me. We're going to have a fun time together, hopefully. This could not be a more Flossie start to the video. Sat on my bed, eating Deliveroo, drinking coffee in a dressing gown, covered in probably yesterday's makeup, definitely on about 3 hours sleep. But quickly before I do start this weekly vlog, I wanted to say a big thank you to this video's sponsor, which is Casetify. They have so many customizable as well as non-customizable phone cases on their website. Oh, my friend just sent me a really nice message. Oh. It's like I collect these cases at this point. I feel like I have a different case for every single outfit. If you're like me and you have a little too much spare time on your hands, try matching your phone cases to your outfit. It's a hobby that will become a lifestyle. As you can see, I've got some of the customizable ones. They also do the iconic neon sand cases. These would make such a cool gift. I feel like everyone loves these. I love this case so much. I think it's so cool. I might switch up my current one for this. Swear by Casetify cases. They are so protective on your phone. The impact cases protect your phone up to a 6.6 foot drop, and the ultra impact cases, which is the one I've got on here, you'll be able to tell the difference between the impact cases and the ultra impact ones apart because they've got these little sort of bumper things on the side of them. These are super protective and will protect your phone up to a 9.8 foot drop. That is nearly 2 of me. I know Apple have also just released the iPhone 13, so a Casetify case is the perfect little accompaniment to it, not only to make it look all cute but obviously to protect it. These iPhones aren't getting any cheaper, honeybee. And because Casetify phone cases are customizable, they also make such incredible gifts. I know my mum has actually got a little Emma Casetify phone case, which I just think is so sweet because she knows how much I love mine and she now swears by hers. I will have a link on screen here as well as in the description box, of course, where you can go and you will save 15% off of your phone case. So you really do have no excuses. These will change your life, I promise you. Thank you so much to Casetify for working with me on this little part of the video. Without further ado, let's go crazy, go stupid, and eat the rest of my prep croissant. So I'm a silly little girl and basically accidentally deleted the clip in between this one you just watched and then the next ones you're about to see. But actually, kind of luckily for you, I did vlog basically the daytime portion of the next clips you're gonna see. It was Ben's birthday, so you're not missing out on too much because all I did was put on a face mask and do some teeth whitening strips in between. But sorry for the jump cut. I actually genuinely am really sorry. It's really annoying and jarring and I'm really annoyed and jarred at myself. But I have vlogged this entire day, so if you want to go and watch it, it's the most recent video on my channel. Okay, love you. Here's Ben's birthday. Sorry, that could have been explained in 10 seconds. Oh my god, stop rambling.
Do you want to do a soda? No? Okay.
Happy birthday, Ben! Ben's birthday. He turns the grand age of 16.
21? 21 today? No, I don't.
So guys, my boyfriend reveal, he's here with his moe and his box of cookies. They're really gooey and chewy and delicious. The problem is I'm a bit of a vegan.
They're gifted.
Hashtag gifted. Thank you to Casetify. They're banging.
Oh, I'm so glad.
I've had the best night. I can't thank you guys enough. Without you, this would not be possible.
It's the microphone.
I've never had a girl sit in my lap.
Things have gone really well with me and my boyfriend tonight. I think he might ask to hold my hand because Kami said that
It's a bit shit because I was going to move like
Kami said oh my god, I had to keep that in my hand. Kami said he wanted to open my hand.
transfer price
Now?
to White City and if she
We feed each other cookies. Is he?
Oh, never tasted
I think so. My biggest ick on Ben Morris is that his favourite place to go on holiday is Dubai. She want my eye, put it in the back of the seat. I'ma pull up in a foreign, hello, yeah, hey, that's me. No, why is Man's leg up like that? I don't like to be, but she gon'
Hashtag copyright.
hurt me like the meat. No, I don't like to be, so she gon' ride me till I'm sleep.
Oh my god. Good morning everyone. Today's an exciting day. First off, I'm recording playlists with Olivia and Lewis this morning. Lewis is a presenter and we're going on his show, which is very exciting. And then afterwards I'm going to get my nails fixed. Long awaited. I'm in a huge rush though, as per usual. I need to jet out the door ASAP, girls. Look at this little boy with a stain on his jumper. I'm filming. Like my introduction to like you to my vlog is just stain shaming you. So we're all filming today on the set. Hi. Say hi, guys. I'm a bit shy because I'm not used to this. Tomato. Nope, just the redness of my skin. So I'm back now. Oh, I've got cut on TikTok is approved. Post this up, okay. Got some worky bits to be doing. Do you want a spray tan for Tuesday? Do I want a spray tan? Do I? I could do a spray tan. Oh gosh, and I've got an event tonight potentially. I don't think I'm going to be able to go to that. There's a lot going on. I've got a lot to respond to. I need to edit a video and I've just taken some pictures. And I'm sorry it's not too exciting, but I've got my nails booked in for 4. Time is currently 1:30. I've got about an hour to edit. I can give myself half an hour to get there. Is half an hour going to be enough? Yeah, half an hour will be enough. I've got an hour to edit now and then I'll have to do the rest when I get back. I can make all my stories and stuff on the tube or in the Uber. I've also just had a really exciting home delivery come, but I don't want to unpackage it yet because I got work priority. As I said, I have been invited to an event tonight. It's Toby from Love Island's Boohoo Man event, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to go. I'm not gonna lie, I am shattered. I'm absolutely shattered. I didn't get to sleep till so late last night. I think it was 5 again. My sleeping is still suffering, but I'm telling myself it's not, and I'm staying optimistic, and some nights I get a really good night's sleep and that is great. But anyway, enough babbling. I'm gonna sit in this bed and edit. My life is crazy. Oh my god, I fell asleep because I'm an idiot and I'm running late. So I have not edited and I have overslept. I woke up, sat upright with my laptop on my... I can't talk.
Pull up in my ride, she gon' hop inside. Smoking on a square, feel like I'ma die. Shorty real thick, yeah, real cutie though. Take her back to the crib and watch Yu-Gi-Oh.
I'm out of my nail appointment now. You will have seen the nails. I'm gonna say is it's maybe a hint or a clue of something really fun and really exciting that's coming soon. As you guys know, I always go to Chi Nails. It's in Neil's Yard. I actually meet so many of you in there all the time now because you see I get my nails done there. It's the best nail spot in London. I can say that with confidence. She's so lovely. All the staff there are so lovely and they do the most incredible nails. I love how like straight they are. But yeah, I just got... these girls are just rude to me. I'm gonna stop into an Itsu or something, but I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of got a bit lost. I just had like 3 girls be really weird with me and it's kind of thrown me off a bit. I did want to cook dinner tonight. I wanted to do a little cooking section, but I've got so much work and editing to do when I get home. I just don't think I'm gonna have the time. I'm also absolutely shattered, which is quite nice because then hopefully I can get an early night tonight. Hi guys, so I'm back home now and I had my sushi and I watched some YouTube videos and I wanted to vlog me eating my sushi and having a chat with you. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm just feeling really sad tonight. Funnily enough, like, I didn't want to vlog earlier because I felt sad, so I knew it just wouldn't be the best. Like, it wouldn't be the best footage. But yeah, kind of in the grand scheme of things, thought maybe be a good thing to put in that I'm not potentially feeling my tip-top best, because like you watch a week in the life vlog and you're gonna think everything's so wonderful, And sometimes it's just not, and you feel a bit rubbish or don't really feel yourself. But then you are yourself when you're sad. I'm me when I'm happy and I'm me when I'm sad. That's something I'm trying to remind myself at the moment. But yeah, I'm sure tomorrow I will be feeling better and I'll be feeling more positive and more happy. And I'm tired as well, so that's a good thing. And I've got nice new nails that I love so much, and they make me really, really happy. But yeah, signing off here, giving you kisses and love, and I'll see you in the morning. But I've just got off FaceTime to my mum and my dad, who are currently slaughtered, celebrating some good work news. Mummy, don't kill me, you deserve it. And I'm ready to go out. Also, these root diffusers from Zara are so good, and they look so nice, and they make your room smell so nice. Love you, see you on the flip side.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour.
A lollipop was stuck on my arm. Red and white polka dot dress from Topshop, and I went to Wagamama's for my birthday. My hair crimped. Remember crimped cookies? I love flowers. Unreal. Oh, but anyway, guys, we're gonna sign off the night here. We love you so much. Love you. Kisses. Bye.
No, I'm not hungover. How dare you accuse me of such a thing? Sometimes I kind of eat up a hungover day. I only really go out on weekends now. Ironic, I've not been out any weekends this week. Oh my god, this is incredible. I only kind of go out weekends now because I'm not a very functional hangover. My body is a temple. And yes, I am eating in my bed, which is kind of gross. But if anyone has anything to say, you can keep it to yourself, please, because I'm very delicate and I don't want to hear it. Oh my god, guys, I had tonsillitis. Are these my bao buns? They're my bao buns. I had tonsillitis for the first time in my life. Boy, I genuinely thought I was about to die of the bubonic plague. Oh my god, I've really been on my bao bun game recently. There is something about this cloud-like texture that brings me so much joy. 10 out of 10, very pleasurable eating experience. I love you. I love you. Get you someone who looks at you the way I look at my bao buns. What mysterious... Oh my god. I wake up with at least 5 new bruises every weekend.